How to fix my Chevrolet app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. So head over to your Play Store and search for myChevrolet. If the application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now once you have done that, head over to your settings, scroll below onto apps, and here to search for myChevrolet. For instance, if this is your myChevrolet app, then tap onto storage and clear the cache and also clear the data. Before clearing your application's data, also be noted to remember your username and your password. Once you have done that, tap on Force Stop and tap on OK. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall the myChevrolet application from your device and reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.